Hi everybody, I'm going to show you some of the basics of Schoology, like how to get in and how to find your assignments for the first week of school. Your teachers will all be going over this many times during the first couple weeks, but just a way for you to go back and watch it if you need to. First thing you're going to notice is that I'm already logged into LCPS Go. I went ahead and I bookmarked LCPS Go at the top of my browser so I could get to it fast, so that might be something that you want to do also on your Chromebook. So when I'm in LCPS Go, the easiest way to find Schoology is to go to the search bar and type in Schoology. That pops right up. Okay, so you'll notice that it opens up all of my courses. I have a couple different ones than you do. I have ones for teachers where you will have ones for all of your specials. You'll have art and PE, music, guidance, library. The ones that we do have the same are all of our subjects. So you will see all of your subjects, and then you will see your homeroom class. The one that you want to go to is the homeroom class, because that's kind of the home page for all of your assignments. So when I'm in my homeroom class, I see that I have this nice banner here of all of my subjects, which if I click on them, it will open up the different subjects. I can always go back to homeroom. But one thing that I want to point out is how to get to the class meet. So tomorrow on the first day of school, you can click right here, class meeting. Mine is not linked up yet. I was going to do that after this video. But tomorrow when I click on this, it will open up a new tab up here with the Google Meet that we are going to be in for all of our live sessions next week. All right. One other thing that I want to point out is down here, it says week of 9-8 materials. You have two important things here. You have a playlist and a checklist. So if I open up the playlist is all of the activities for the week. So this week, between 9-8 and 9-11, you have to do all of the things that are in blue, and you may do all of the things that are in green as you finish the blue assignments. So say I'm working on some asynchronous activities. I'm not in a live lesson with my class, and I'm going to do review math. Just click on review math. This will open up. So I click here. And this looks a lot like something that I would have done last year. So I can do all of my work in this Google Doc. Now the only difference is when I come back to Schoology, there will be a button that says turn in. Obviously, I'm looking at it from the teacher's perspective, so mine looks a little bit different, but yours will say turn in. So you will click turn in on Schoology once you're done. You do not need to share it with your teacher. So that's one thing that's different from last year that makes it easier to turn things in. Okay, so say I completed my math review. I can come back to the homeroom, go back to the 9-8 materials, and here's my checklist. So you'll notice your checklist, these are all the things that you have to do this week, and this will get sent out every week. The highlighted things are things that must be turned in. The things that are not highlighted are things that can be extras once you're done with the highlighted ones. So if I just completed that review math, I'm going to check the box and say I completed that. Or maybe I printed this out and I want to actually write a check in the box or scratch it out. However, I know that I'm done with review math. I only have these few things left for the entire week. I'm going to unclick that so it doesn't save them. Okay. Now, this you can come back to. So there will be a turn in button, but every time I open this, my changes will be saved. So if I checked off review math today, and then tomorrow I check off reading interest survey, it will save my changes right there for review math. So you do not need to share it every day. You do not need to save it every day. And you only need to click turn in at the end of the week. This is just an option. If you have a different way to organize your assignments, feel free to use that. So the main things to know: courses, Homeroom will take you everywhere, but you can also click on the courses that you are working on. And this is where you'll find your specials too under courses. I hope this is helpful. And like I said, we're going to be doing a lot of practice on Schoology and getting around it. You guys will catch on super quick, but be sure to ask any questions that you have to your teacher so we can help you learn Schoology.